In this video, I'll show you how to mask in CapCut. So open up your CapCut, select what you want to mask, scroll, okay, click on edit, scroll to the very end. We're going to be able to see the mask option. So if you click on the mask option, there's the horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangle, hearts, and stars. So I think like the best one is the circle option. So I'm going to click on it. So I can be able to come on here and select the motion you want, like for the particular video. So if you want to mask an object, you're going to be able to select a part of an object, then you need to just adjust it till the part you want. So let me say something like this is okay, or like this. So once you are done, you're going to click on this check, and you're going to be able to mask an object. So like you're just dragging, like this, as you're just applying setting focus on a particular side, or like on a particular part of the video. So you can see what I'm doing now. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.